Hi, welcome to this video of the Human Body Institute. At the end of this video, you will know what you need to know about your pancreas. The pancreas is a vital organ that can impair our health if not functioning properly. It is important to monitor its health and be aware of the potential complications of pancreatic disease. Now you're about to learn the pancreas functions, potential problems, and beneficial foods for maintaining its health. The pancreas plays a crucial role in the digestive and endocrine systems of the body, secreting enzymes to digest proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Its secretions create a mildly alkaline environment to neutralize excess stomach acids. This prevents burns and inflammation in the duodenum walls when food enters. Disrupting pancreatic enzyme synthesis can lead to inflammatory bowel illnesses in the endocrine system. The pancreas produces two hormones, insulin, which reduces blood glucose levels, and glucagon, which raises them. The pancreas regulates glucose metabolism and stores energy for the body's functions. Its health is crucial for its overall well-being. In this section, we will discuss potential pancreatic problems and why identifying them can be challenging. The most common concern with this organ is pancreatitis, an insidious disease. Pancreatitis, whether acute or chronic, is often misdiagnosed as one of the other conditions. Acute pancreatitis symptoms include vomiting, bile pain in the upper left abdomen, and sometimes jaundice. Initially, these symptoms may resemble intestinal poisoning. Pancreatic issues often go unnoticed, leading to a failure to seek emergency medical care. Pancreatic tissue can quickly deteriorate during a pancreatitis flare-up. Symptoms may disappear after the acute phase, leading individuals to mistake their condition for a simple case of food poisoning. Diabetes symptoms include pain in the left side and back, which can indicate kidney problems. Second occurrences of poisoning, especially if they occur on a regular basis and have no obvious explanation. Stomach discomfort after eating fatty foods may indicate gastritis, ulcer aggravation, or pancreatic difficulties. The next sign of pancreatitis is unformed stool with undigested food bits, which may remain over time. The fifth sign is rapid weight fluctuations, which can grow or decrease and are often accompanied by persistent fatigue. Constant abdominal bloating is a nonspecific indicator of pancreatic inflammation. Any of these symptoms should prompt rapid medical attention. Only a healthcare practitioner can effectively diagnose pancreatitis and differentiate it from other disorders with similar symptoms. Causes of the disease. Pancreatic dysfunction is primarily caused by lifestyle and diet factors, such as fatty meals, fast food, and alcohol usage. Stress and genetics have a crucial role in the link between pancreatic injury and diabetes. Diabetes symptoms include persistent thirst, hunger, dizziness, tiredness, and the smell of acetone during urination. These symptoms should prompt an evaluation of the pancreas and other gastrointestinal organs. To preserve the pancreas, it's crucial to include foods that support its health and functionality in your diet. Damage to the pancreas can have serious effects and require lifetime care. Pumpkin is a good food for the pancreas and liver due to its high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content, including carotenoids. Pumpkin contains carotenoids, which reduce inflammation and prevent cell death. Additionally, it does not irritate the organs and aids in fat digestion. Pumpkin's high fiber content promotes weight loss and digestive health. It can be roasted or steamed with other vegetables to create a delicious and healthy porridge. Pumpkin cleanses the body of impurities and toxic chemicals, promoting healthy pancreatic function. Consuming Jerusalem artichoke can improve metabolic processes and reduce pancreatic inflammation. Blueberry juice can reduce diabetes and atherosclerosis, two major consequences of pancreatitis. Blueberry leaf tea and fresh berries can help reduce blood glucose levels and stimulate pancreatic function, making them beneficial for diabetics. Blueberries are commonly used in herbal mixtures to reduce pancreatic inflammation, cleanse the liver, and improve bile secretion. For acute pancreatitis, it is recommended to consume mashed blueberries processed through a meat grinder. Cooked turmeric has potent anti-inflammatory properties and stimulates insulin production, helping to prevent the condition. Red grapes contain resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that protects cells from free radicals. Resveratrol strengthens blood vessels, lowers inflammation, and prevents cell death in pancreatic cancer. Yogurt contains probiotics, which increase the immune system and improve gastrointestinal tract function, promoting pancreatic health. Consume low-fat yogurt devoid of artificial colors, flavors, and ingredients. Regular and thorough medical exams are essential for early detection and treatment of health concerns. Neglecting illnesses like pancreatitis can lead to significant consequences. This could shorten one's lifetime and reduce quality of life. Early identification of pancreatitis can often be treated with medicines, but severe instances may require surgery. If you have ever encountered such issues, how did you conquer the illness? Please share your experiences in the comments below the video. What are your thoughts on this topic and how can you avoid missing out? Subscribe to our channel for interesting videos about health and longevity. Click the bell symbol to receive notifications. I wish you health and longevity and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out our other videos.